What's up, everybody? I'm just here with a sauna board. I'm going to start working on it right away. It might be either a short video or a long video, I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll show you what I've got so far. I got the relay. This is the one. Right here, as you can see. So the first thing what I will do now, I will remove the old relay from here. It looks like I'm just gonna see, so 2 contacts and 2 contacts. Okay, I'm just going to remove it right away. Let me put some flux here. They put some insulation here, like silicone. That's why it doesn't want to come out really easy. I'm not sure why they do that, but I guess they don't want you to fix it or something. I'm not sure. See, it doesn't want to come out really easy. See how much gun? So much gunk, oh my goodness. Let's see if I can maybe take this out the old way. Yeah, it's really challenging to remove the solder. My iron is at maximum heat and it still doesn't want to come out. Yeah, see? I worked on this before. I worked on this similar, well, not similar, same one, same board before, but so it gave me hard time last time. I remember it too. Yeah, it's probably melted there too, so I don't want to break anything, right? Yeah, it's melted right there. Let's see. Yeah, it's so stubborn. I'm not sure. Doesn't want to come out. Just one relay, so simple, 4 legs, nothing special. One relay, big problems. Or big challenges, I would say. Okay, are you gonna come out or no? Very strange. Okay, I got the back legs removed. I just need to remove this huge, like this pin doesn't want to come out. I got it out. I know, maybe I did a little damage. It was impossible to take it out. What can I do? I have to... Here we go. That's out. Ooh, yeah. Okay. We have a situation here. Look at this. Oh, man. Okay. This relay is fried completely, you can see on this leg. I just want to relocate this to here and then I will do the work around it. It's gonna take me some time though, so this video probably gonna be very long, but I will try to kinda maybe make it shortcuts, short videos. So this really is bad. What I have to do now, I have to first clean everything around it. So I'm gonna take all the solder out from everywhere. There's no room to here. See, I have to kind of turn it around all the time, so it's really uncomfortable here. Okay, I got the three holes open, but this guy, see, that's where the problem is. I have to get this one out somehow, or I'm not sure where is it even. Let me just see. Trying to take a cloth here. I'm gonna come back in a second. Okay, I have to remove this. Somehow I apply heat, boom, see? I apply heat and I push this inside. That's pretty bad. Boom, I got it. Yeah, I know it looks ugly, but okay, I'm quite happy with what I have right now. I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. What's my goal? Oh, it's gonna be fun. Just thinking, what should I do? Okay, I got this copper right here. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I just got it from Amazon. Yeah, it might work. It might work. Okay. So I need scissors. I'll go grab some scissors. What I want to do, I want to cut this piece. Oh, I forgot. I have to connect this wire to there too. Okay. Let me. So I'm not going to record everything, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this screw out and then I will make the cut for this shape with those two holes right there and one here, and I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks like. Right, I'm back now and this is how it looks like. It doesn't look too bad. I think it might work. As you can see, I'm gonna put some solder in those 2 points to secure it, and now I'm gonna secure this guy right there. Boom. So I'll keep you updated. I'm just gonna secure everything, and then I'll put some solder to make it all steady. Honestly, guys, it looks amazing. I'm so happy with that. I just have to take care of this a little bit here. Let me get back to you guys. Alright, I'm back now, and I think it's a success. Okay, let's put some flux and put some solder, seal it, and we'll see if it's gonna catch. Where's my... there we go. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let me just turn this. I want to breathe this into myself. Guys, this is a success. I can tell you right away. This is awesome. This is a success. I don't know what to do. I might gonna put solder around it. I think it's a smart decision. And I think I will separate those two because I don't know if it's gonna short or not. Let me just do that. I'll make a separation between those two. But yeah, it's a success. I'm quite excited. I know it doesn't look like perfect, but you have to agree, it looks much better than before. That's fine. I'll just put the solder in. I think it's gonna be okay. I think I put too much solder, but whatever. It's fine. Well, I don't know. No, let's see what it is. J100. I think it's fine, but I want to put some solder underneath just to make sure it has good contact. Let's see if I can do that. It's probably gonna be forever the way I make it, but you know what, at least it's gonna have good contact. Perfect. Okay guys, so it's all ready and I'm gonna ship it to the customer. The only little hesitation I have is those two points. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot, I have to connect this line. I'll connect it with another copper wire and it should be all good to go. But yeah, this is pretty much it. That was the hardest part. So this is the relay, 1 leg, 2 leg, 3, 4. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean it up. Let's put it this way, I know it's maybe not the prettiest job, but it should work. Oh shit. Oh sorry, I think I broke off here. It's okay, whatever. I'll get it fixed up. But yeah, the last thing I have here to do is to connect this point with this one. I'll cut another little line, maybe a copper or whatever. I'll see, maybe just a little wire, and then it should be all good to go. See, it's all secured. I put solder around here and there and there. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Perfect. All secured here. We just have to test it. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.